Tell me, dear student, is my screen visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Only mitochondria function we are doing. We have done the chloroplast.
Yes.
Okay, only the functions of mitochondria we are discussing. Chloroplast we have done. So have you written the functions of chloro? Oh, I think we were doing plastids. Check.
Yes.
We were doing plastids, and I was just explaining you the structure of chloroplast. Okay. So check whether you have written this contain carotenoids. Sorry, this one. The function of chloroplast. That chloroplast is going to have this structure. I have discussed the chloroplast. Okay. So this is the structure of chloroplast. Okay, and it is going to have some disc-like structure. Okay, and it is double membranous. It is double membranous. Double membranous. One layer is this one, another layer is this one. So it is double membranous. Double membranous. Okay, you understood? And this is going to have. These are going to have thyla. The group is called granum. Like we have this granum, the whole group, but one slide is considered to be as thylakoids. Okay, so chloroplast is the only cell organelle that is responsible for photosynthesis in plant, and it consists of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is trapped inside. This green color substance is considered to be as chlorophyll. So that actually consists of chlorophyll inside. Okay, so thylakoid consists of chlorophyll. You understood? You understood? Everybody in the class understood?
Yes, sir.
So please note down this one. Please draw the structure of chloroplast. Have you drawn the structure of chloroplast in your copy? Check it, Avni.
Sir, no.
No, you have not done. Please draw the structure.
Okay.
So Maisa, turn on your camera. Any other student, please turn on your camera. Everybody is requested to turn on your camera. Abdul Jabbar and other students. Make the structure of chloroplast. You know that plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast.
The rough diagram is okay, right?
Make it properly. Ah, it's okay, right? Rough diagram is okay. Done?
No, sir.
Chloroplast is double membranous. It is responsible for photosynthesis. Okay. It contains green color pigment called chlorophyll that is used for trapping the sunlight. When the sunlight falls on the leaves, then it is used for trapping the sunlight. Okay.
So it is only present in plant cell or in both plants and animal cell?
It is only present in the animals. Sorry, only in the plant cell. It is not. It is absent because uh, if this might be present in our cells, like human beings, then there is no need. We just eat food. We just go to the sunlight, have food. Okay, no need to prepare food. But it not happens.
Done.
Done. Done. Okay. So please note it down. That it is double membranous structure, two definite regions clearly visible inside. One is grana, and or we called it granum. This is grana is singular and granum. Sorry, grana is plural and granum is singular. Okay, this is plural. Grana word is plural, or this is singular word. Okay, it contains chlorophyll, which is needed for photosynthesis. Therefore, it is known as kitchen of the cell. Okay, it is known as kitchen of the cell. Done.
No, sir.
Abdul, are you writing?
Yes.
Ramaisa, dear student, after this 9:30, you are going to have your mathematics class. Okay, so do not leave the class. Okay, there will be 2 hours class. Okay, today. So just after the 9:30, you are going to have your mathematics class. Sorry, after the 10:30. According to the Indian timing, 10:30. But according to your means, when my class is going to end, you are going to have your next class that is of mathematics. Okay.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay. So let's move further. Hamne done? Abdul Jabbar, Tumaisa. Tumaisa, are you there in the class? You are not responding to my voice. Tumaisa, are you there? Khadija? Sorry, what's her name? Khadija, na? Khadija, but who Deja? What is Khadija? I don't. So let it be. Let's move further, dear students. So the next type of plastid is actually leucoplast. So check whether we have written the about the leucoplast in your copy. Check.
No, no, sir.
Not written. Okay.
No.
So please note it down that leucoplast is another type of plastid. Does not contain any pigments. It does not contain, like the chloroplast is green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. That green color pigment that is used for trapping sunlight. But leucoplast does not contain any substance that is colored substance. It does not have any colored pigment. Okay, so it does not contain any pigment, so it is colorless. It is colorless, and it is generally used to store fat, proteins, lipids, starch. Okay, so it stores stars, lipids, and protein. Okay, so leucoplast, this is L, leucoplast. Okay, leucoplast, it does not contain any pigment. It is colorless. It stores starch, lipids, and protein. Noted.
Sir, this is also only present in plant cell.
Yeah, yeah. Plastids are present only in plant cell, whether it is a leucoplast, whether it is a chromoplast, whether it is a chloroplast. Any. If it is plastid, then it is present only in plant cell. Okay.
Should write chromoplast also.
That chromoplast is. Chromoplast is. Chromoplast is another type of plastid. You have seen that there are some leaves that are not in green in colors. There are some purple color leaves. You see there are different colors plants. Okay, and you see that their leaves are of different colors. So if the leaf is green in color, then it is going to have chloroplast that is green in color because chlorophyll is green in color. But if what type of another pigment will be there, means if the color of the leaf is not green, then it is not chlorophyll. If there is no chlorophyll, then it means no chloroplast. So in place of chloroplast, these plants are going to have chromoplast. In place of chloroplast, they have chromoplast. Why chromoplast? Because they have different pigments. Like we have the chlorophyll pigment that is used for trapping the sunlight. Similarly, there are other elements also, just like carotenoids. Okay, that is used for trapping the sunlight. Okay, got it? Got it? So please note it down. Please note it down. That chromoplast, it contains various carotenoids, colored pigments. These pigments provide yellow, orange, red color to the leaves of the plant. Okay, they help in attraction.
Sir, so every plant has chromoplast or only
No,
some plant?
only some plants are going to have. Every plant is not in different in color. Okay, it is not green in color. Okay, if the leaves are totally green, then it is going to have. Done?
Sorry, still writing. Sir, done.
Done, sir.
Done? Rumaisa, where were you? I was just calling you, Rumaisa, Rumaisa, and you were not replying.
Sir, I wasn't able to hear you. I have some problem with my device.
Okay, can you turn on your camera so that I can check whether you are studying or going, leaving, coming? Is it process is happening or not? Okay, are you constantly studying like Apni is studying? Okay. So if I'm saying that they are just plants, some plants and flowers are colorful because they just help us the interact means the insects and the birds sets or they generally help in pollination. Then what is pollination? That is going to study in the 10th standard. So let it be. Okay. Now coming to the plants, and here we have some difference between the vacuoles. What are vacuoles? You know, they are the vacuoles is another type of cell organ. Okay, and they are plant cell is going to have large vacuoles because they have water inside it, and generally they have the storage organs. Vacuoles are the storage organs that generally store substance, mainly water in plants. And this is larger in plant cell. It is bigger in size because it provides turgidity, it provides hardness to the plant. So vacuoles provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. And since the animal cells does not have cell wall, it does not require so much turgidity. So they have a small vacuoles. So animal cells have a small vacuoles, but the plant cell have large vacuoles. Okay. So vacuoles is another cell organ. There are two types of vacuoles. One is food vacuoles, that is for digestion in amoeba, like we have for digestion. And gas vacuole provide buoyancy to the aquatic plant. Like we have gas vacuoles, and that provide buoyancy. Buoyancy means an upward thrust that help us to float the object. Okay, float the plants. So in the floating plants, there are gas vacuoles are present in the inside the cell that help the aquatic plant to float over it. Okay, so note the this vacuoles, another cell
Sir,
organ
I
that
don't
is.
understand what is Beyonce.
You don't understand buoyancy. Okay, let me explain you what is buoyancy. For example, if you have like you have uh, are you familiar with swimming? Have you ever done swimming?
Yeah,
You have done swimming. So did you feel yourself that lighter? You feel yourself lighter in weight?
sometimes.
Sometimes, every time, everything when you put anything into the water, it will you will feel that it is lighter in weight. Okay, it becomes lighter in weight. You can easily pull a 5 kg object which is dipped in water. You can easily pull it up. Okay, so because it weights decreases. Why? Because when you immerse anything into the water, it provides a force. Okay, upward force that is called buoyant force. Okay, this is water something. Okay, so when you this is if this is water and if something is immersed in it, then an upward force is applied by the water on this object that make it this object to move upward. Okay, so if what happened to the if you are having a balloon, okay, and this you kept in the water, it will comes upward on the surface if you left it. Why the
Yeah,
balloon comes after? Because balloon is very lighter in weight and the force applied with water is very large, so it will float over the surface. Okay. So similarly, the gas vacuoles in the cells are having gas like the balloons. Okay, and when they in the aquatic plant, in the floating plants, these gas vacuole act like a these gas vacuole act like a balloon. Okay, so when in the floating plant, generally these gas vacuoles have the plant to float over it. Okay, and why anything is floating? Because of the buoyant force or the buoyancy. So if I'm saying that gas vacuoles provide buoyancy to the plant, so buoyancy means that an upward force is applied. Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir.
I understood what is buoyancy. Buoyancy means it provides buoyancy to the aquatic plants. Means it help in attaining the, like I'm saying, balloon help us to float over it. So it means balloon is providing buoyancy. Okay, that is helping us to float. Okay, so
Okay.
please note it down. The vacuoles. Know this one. Noted, Rumaisa?
Yes, sir.
Done, Avani?
No, sir. Still wait. Sir, done.
Done? Okay. Other students? Done?
Done, sir.
Writing.
Okay. Bashir, done? Sorry, what's your name? Kudeja. What's your name, beta?
So 1 minute, I have to rename it. Munir, sir.
Your name is Moni. Oh, that's why I'm just Moni. Actually, I think you have turned on the camera for the first time or the second time. I was not familiar with your face, otherwise. Okay, very good. So now moving to the next part is this, the difference, the very important. This is very important for the examination point of view. That the difference between the plants and the animal cells. What is the difference between the plants and animal cells? That you know that plant cell is bounded with rigid cell wall. You know the plant cell have first is it is going to have cell membrane and then or plasma membrane, and then after it is cell wall. Cell wall is there. Got it? And here animal cells, in animal cells, cell wall is absent. You understood? In animal cell wall is
Absent.
absent. Okay.
Absent.
Okay. Now moving to the next part. Okay. Plastids are present. You know that plastid, the type of plastid that is like either chloroplast, chromoplast, or leucoplast, they are present in only in plant cell, but they are absent in the animal cells. Okay, because animal cell does not have the photosynthesis work, so or it does not prepare its own food. So generally, we say that plastids generally help in preparing the food and storage of food. So plant cell only have the plastid. Animal cell is not going to have any plastid. Okay. Now moving to the next one is large vacuoles are present. Why they have large vacuoles? Because a greater turgidity is being required plant cell for the plant cell, because plant cells are very rigid. So their cell should be rigid in structure. Okay. They don't have like we have the muscles that is easily compressible. Okay. We can compress our fingers like this, but we can't compress these because plants are hard, because their cells have. Let me look at this screen. Okay. So what I'm saying that plant cells have larger vacuoles because they need turgidity. Okay. And similarly, vacuoles are absent if the vacuoles are absent. Generally, vacuoles are absent in animal cells, and if present, then they are very small in size. Okay, if present, then it's small in size. Okay,
Small size.
and the next one is centrosome is absent. Centrosome is a specialized that we're going to discuss. There are centromeres that are absent in animals, sorry, in plant cell, but they are present in the animal cells. Centrosome. Okay, and the next one is nucleus is present at periphery. You know that here's the plant cell. The nucleus is present at the periphery. Periphery means at the side. Okay? But you say that here the nucleus is in the animal cell, the nucleus is present at the center. So here, because in plant cell there is a large vacuole present. So since because of this large vacuoles, okay, because of this large vacuole, actually nucleus comes into the side. Okay, the nucleus, this is nucleus, this one is nucleus, so it comes in at the periphery. Okay, but here you see that it is present in the center. Here it is present at the center. Okay, got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Abdul, you understood? You understood properly what I have taught?
Yes, sir.
So please note the difference. This is very, very important.
That's
Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Riyaz? Riyaz, are you there? Riyaz? Are you there, Riyaz? Can you able to turn on the camera? It is better to every student should turn his on the camera. That feels like a class. Done, everyone?
No, sir.
So 1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. So this chapter is over. So let me revise that. Is there any topic left? Let me ask you. Do we have studied the cell theory?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you the topics. Cell theory done?
Yes,
Cell
sir.
theory done? Okay.
Yes.
Then different cell organelles,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
cell organelles functions.
Hmm.
Okay, done. Okay, that we have done osmosis, diffusion, and
Hmm.
plasmolysis. Have we done this one?
Yeah. Hypertonic.
Hypertonic. Yes, we have done that. I remember that we have done this one also. So, dear students, let's start doing the question regarding to this chapter. Okay, this is important. So let's start doing the questions. Everyone has to answer. Data. Just a minute. So tell me the answer of the first question.
Amoeba.
Amoeba. Okay. Yes, it is correct. Amoeba. Amoeba, no, it is not correct. Check it again.
Virus.
So
Viruses,
bacteria.
not bacteria. Check it again. Viruses are accepted to, means cell theory is accepted to viruses. I have told you this one in the, and you can check it from your notes. That cell theory is accepted to viruses. Okay. And viruses are in the form of crystals. Okay. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do question number second.
B.
B. Sure. B or A? Yes, B is B. If it is said that
A.
a cell will swell up, swell up. Okay, when it is a cell is going to swell. Okay, tell me. When a cell is going,
Hypotonic, right?
yes, hypotonic
Tonic.
and hypertonic. Hypertonic means the water will comes out, and hypotonic means the cell will come into this water will goes into this.
Going
Hypotonic. So the concentration of water molecule in the cell is higher than the concentration of water molecule in the surrounding. No. It means how it is possible that why water will enter, because there is lesser amount of water and there is more amount of water everywhere outside. Okay, so what is going to have? This water will enter to this one. Okay, so the concentration of water molecule in the surrounding medium is higher than the water molecule. So B is the correct option. Okay, got it? Question
Yes,
number
sir.
3. Question number 3.
A.
Chromosomes are
DNA
made up of.
DNA and protein.
Yes, they are made up of DNA and protein. Question number 4. Which of the following is not the functions of ribosomes? Tell me. It help in the manufacturing of protein. Yes, it help in the manufacturing of protein. It help in the manufacturing of
2 and 3.
enzymes. 2 and actually not a function. It is being a not a function. Not a function.
3 and
So this is
3
the
and
function.
4.
See, ribosomes manufactures hormones. Hormones may be made up of steroids. Okay, and they may be made up of and it help in manufacturing of starch molecule. No, it is not correct. And since proteins are made up of means enzymes are made up of protein, are made up of protein. Okay, enzymes are made up of protein. You understood? So if it can manufacture the protein, so it can also manufacture the enzymes. Okay, so it will not help in the manufacture of hormones because hormones are made up of steroids. So that is 3 and 4. C. Got it? Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
C. Now moving to the next question. Question number 5. Check. Answer done. Question number 5. Which of the following is not related to endoplasmic reticulum?
C.
C.
No, sir.
Okay. Tumaisa? Is it C?
No, sir.
Which of the following is not related to endoplasmic reticulum? It behaves as a transport channel for protein between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Yes, because endoplasmic reticulum lies from here to the cell wall, cell membrane, sorry. Okay, so it behaves as a transport channel for protein and nucleus and between. Yes, it is correct. And not, it is being a nota. Okay, a transport material between various regions. Yes, it also acts as a transport. It is a site of energy generation. No, it is not a site of energy generation. Site of energy generation is mitochondria. So this one is incorrect. Okay, so C is the correct option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
it is a site of some biochemical activities. So it might be a site, but it is not a C. C is the incorrect option. Means C is not the option. C is not the function of ribosomes. No. Go to the question number 6.
A.
A. Read the following statement correctly about the
Movement of water molecule
Movement.
from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable medium.
Very good. Of water molecule from a region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. Very good. A is the correct option. Okay. Question number 7. Tell me about the question number 7.
A.
Question number 7A. Sure.
Yes, I think.
Yes, plasmolysis is in a plant cell is defined as plasmolysis, the breakdown means lysis of plasma membrane hypotonic solution. Yes, hypotonic solution. You see in the hypotonic solution, the cell get burst because of the plasmolysis. Because cell get plasmolized, when it get plasmolized, it get burst. Okay, got it? No, plasmolysis means shrinking of. Yes, plasmolysis means when the cell get plasmolized, it means shrinking. So shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypotonic. So this B is the correct option. Okay, note it down in the copy. Note it down, dear students. Plasmolized. When a cell gets plasmolized, it means it gets shrinked. Okay, it gets plasmolized cell. The cell is plasmolized. When a cell is like this, when it gets shrink like this, means it is plasmolized cell. Plasmolized. Plasmolized. Next, question number 8.
Vacuoles.
Which of the followings are covered by single membrane? Mitochondria is double membranous. Lysosomes, plastids. Plastids are also double membranous. You have seen. And what about
Yes,
the lysosomes and vacuoles?
So vacuoles. No.
What vacuoles?
Yes, sir.
Actually, vacuoles and lysosomes both are single membranous. Both are single membranous. There is a mistake here. Both of them are single membranous. Lysosomes and vacuoles both are single membranous. Got it? You understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sure? Now moving to this one, there is a mistake. Okay. Got a single membrane. So there is next is find out the false sentence. Question number 9.
D.
D.
Which one? D.
Cytoplasm is called as
Yes, sir.
Cytoplasm is also called as protoplasm. Yes, it is false. Cytoplasm is not considered to be as protoplasm because protoplasm means cytoplasm,
nucleoplasm.
cytoplasm plus cell organelle. Cell organelle. Okay. That is whatever present in this inside the cell membrane, that is called protoplasm. Whether it is cytoplasm, whether it is nucleus, whatever it is present in the boundary of the cell. Okay. Next question number 10. Which one is correct? Question number 10.
Sir,
Find
A
out this.
and bone part connection.
D.
A, sir.
Find out the correct sentence. Lysosomes are packed. Enzymes are packed in lysosomes and are made through RER. So I have taught you that enzymes are made up of protein. Enzymes are made up of protein. You know, enzymes are made up of protein. Okay, and protein is being
Yes.
synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasm. Why rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes over it. Okay. So if we think enzymes are packed in lysosomes and are made through rough ER. So if I'm saying, so it is correct. If I'm saying rough endoplasmic reticulum through smooth endoplasmic, no, it's smooth. Let's say rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipids and protein. No, it is not. Respectively, saying it is opposite. Means smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the production of lipids, but and protein is being synthesized by endoplasm. But it is respectively written. Respectively means the first one, rough endoplasmic reticulum, is lipid. No, it is not forming lipid. And the second one is no, it is opposite. Okay. Next one, endoplasmic reticulum is related to the destruction of plasma membrane. No, it is help in the formation of plasma membrane. Then nucleoid is present inside the cytoplasm, inside the nucleoplasms of the eukaryotic nucleus. Nucleoid is present. No, nucleoid is not. Nucleoid is the region that is present in the prokaryotic cell. There is no membrane bounded nucleus is present. Okay, the nucleoid is present inside the nucleoplasm of eukaryotic cells. No, it is not. So only A is correct. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Avni, got it?
Sir.
Question number 11.
Lysosome.
Munir, you are not answering.
Sir, smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Munir, what is the answer of question number 11?
1 minute.
Not sure. So, which cell organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying the poisons and drugs in the cells? That is a
Sir,
smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Smooth
Okay,
endoplasmic.
that we have written this one in the copy, in the notes also. So if I have not written, then please note it down. This is the cell organelle responsible for detoxification of many poisons and drugs in the cell is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Please note it down. In your copy, please note it down. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in detoxifications of many poisons and drugs in the cell. Do question number 12.
Sir, A, rough endoplasmic.
Protein and lipids are essential for building cell membranes and are manufactured by rough
Golgi
endoplasm.
Rough endoplasmic.
Protein and lipids are essential for building cell membranes and are rough endoplasmic reticulum only produce the protein and lipids, plasma membrane, mitochondria, and are manufactured by. This one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Lipid is actually formed by a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But since you know very well that ribosomes are attached over it, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum become rough endoplasmic reticulum. So still it can produce lipids and protein with the help of ribosomes. Okay. So we can have the question A as correct answer. Okay. But if in the question it comes in your examination that lipids, for especially if it is being asked for the lipids, so lipid is produced by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. And
Yes.
proteins is produced by ribosomes, or rough endoplasmic reticulum. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now moving to the next part. Tell
Nucleoid.
me,
Nucleoid. D.
the nuclear region in the prokaryote it is called nucleoid. Very good. Question number 14.
Ribosomes.
Cell organelle involved in forming complex sugars are simple sugars. Complex sugar from simple sugar. Endoplasmic reticulum. Complex sugar into other students. Golgi bodies. Is it Golgi bodies or not?
Yeah, Golgi apparatus.
Question number 14.
No, sir, it's
Munir,
Golgi, sir.
Munir, I'm not getting your answer.
Golgi, sir.
Golgi apparatus. That I have taught you this one in the class also, that the protein that is synthesized, or the substance that is being synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum, it is transferred to the Golgi bodies in the form of vesicles. Means that protein that is being synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, it in the form of vesicles reaches to the Golgi bodies. And it reaches to the Golgi bodies, where Golgi bodies, what Golgi body does? Golgi body modified it. Golgi bodies modified it. Okay. And help it in this develop. So the cell organ one and forming complex sugar from simple sugars are Golgi body. Okay. Next, find out the following is not the function of vacuole: storage, turgidity, waste, excretion of waste, locomotion. Yes, locomotion is not the function, sir. But locomotion. Question number 16.
Sir, endocytosis.
Amoeba acquire its food with the help of endocytosis, plasmalysis. Yes, it is from endocytosis. Okay, exocytosis means it is removal. Exo. Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir.
That is endocytosis. Next, question number 17. Answer to question number 17.
Bacteria.
Cell wall, which one of the following is not made up of cellulose? Fungi. Fungi's cell wall is not made up of cellulose. Only the plant cell is made up of cellulose. Okay, so that is mango tree, cactus, and hydrilla. These are all plants. These are all plants. Okay, these are all plants, and their cell wall is made up of cellulose. So bacteria is not going to have its cell wall that is made up of cellulose. So A is the correct option. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 18.
Golgi apparatus.
Silver nitrate solution used to study silver nitrate. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Okay, chemical Golgi means use this one to study the Golgi apparatus. Okay, the silver nitrate solution. Please note it down in your copy. So, silver nitrate solution is used to study Golgi apparatus. Please note it down. Done? Munir?
Yes, sir.
Done? Please note it down. Silver nitrate solution is used to study Golgi apparatus. Next, the organelle other than nucleus containing DNA is
Mitochondria.
mitochondria and chloroplast. Both are going to have. So mitochondria is there, then right, take the mitochondria. Kitchen of the cell is
Chloroplast.
Written that it is also known as kitchen of the cell. Mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. Next, question number 21. Lipids molecules are in cells are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Next,
B.
cell rises from pre-existing cell was stated by
D.
Robert Virchow.
A.
Cell theory was given by Shed and Sean. Actually, the Virchow statement was also added to this one, but it is not having more than one correct option. So give the take the A option. Okay. If it is given more than one correct option, then Virchow will be added. Okay. A and B will be there. Okay. Question number 24. Only the cell organelle seen in ribosomes. Yeah, it is present in the only the ribosomes are present only in the prokaryotic cells. Since ribosomes are membraneless organelle, okay, they don't have membrane. Organelle without a membrane is
Ribosome.
we have discussed this one. So note it down if you have noted this one. If you don't know, please note it down that ribosome is the only organelle that is membrane bounded, membraneless. Sorry, they don't have membrane. Done.
Yes, sir.
1 micrometer is
A.
10 raised to minus 6.
10 is per minus 6. Lysosomes arises from endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, nucleus. Which one?
B. Nucleus.
No. Ribosomes come from the nucleus. Lysosomes.
Golgi apparatus.
Check in your copy. That is in Golgi. That I have written in your copy when we were studying in Golgi bodies, and I have wrote it that Golgi bodies help in the production of lysosomes. Okay. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
please note it down. Note it down. Note this question also. Lysosomes arises from
Golgi bodies.
Golgi bodies. Okay. So those students. So that's all for today. And those students who are having the math class with the Maria ma'am. Okay. So please don't leave the class. They are going to have the same class. Okay. So the rest we will discuss. Let's do up to 30. Okay. So that we can remember. There are only 2 questions remaining. So let's do these 2 also. Okay. The living cells were discovered by
Leo 1 Herb.